Hi! Gorgeous journal. I wanted to show you. It's a box like this. So I'm gonna paint the cover in my favorite colors that I will always go to. Here I go. And then I guess I'll put leaves across this. Yes. Don't overthink it, Kristen. Poetic pink just right over it. Okay, so I'm using cake batter instead. It's a really soft yellow. I'm gonna do, and Dion wonders how we get paint everywhere. That's how. Okay. I'm not gonna go get a blow dryer, and that means we just keep going. I'm using petticoat pink for the highlights, sort of like right here. Smaller brush. Comes with, it's called the Maker's Journal, and it's got your heart's desire of the things, the papers and the stencils, and then like all these different things you can, that comes with the paint samples of the DIY paint. And then you can paint right on leather, like I'm doing. You could use acrylic paint, but since I'm using this, it'll bond to the leather. You just have to seal it with something, which just takes a minute. Like it should, it's gonna kind of mix with the others. I'm gonna leave it for now, but I want. It's one of the new ones. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Because aviary is my favorite. Cake batter, and then I added white, and then I also added bright lemon yellow and acrylic. Ha ha! Yep, I'm gonna overwork it right in front of your very eyes. Look at that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with it and let it dry because probably gonna do it. I think I need more poetic pink. Swoop. There's so much paint on this journal, y'all. Be more pink though. Bomp, bomp. So much paint on there that if I held it like this, it would drip. That. And I think it would be cool because that's how cool clay paint is. Add a tiny bit more yellow. This is Poetic Pink. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of this. Might be a mistake, in which case I can wipe it off or something. I'm going to hold it by way down here and sideways actually. This is Big Top. It's a liquid sealer. How pretty. I love this part. I'm going to try this Posca pen just to do some outlines. Well, I'll have to wait till it dries to do this better. I'll go into the flower when it's dry. And that's it. That's it. I like it. I wish you could see the texture on it. I like it. I like it a lot. And thank you to Debbie Frimmer to get one of these and all the stuff inside to make pages. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Bye. I wanted to show just a second here of, even though I sealed it with Big Top, I used a really thick clay paint. And so to keep it from cracking, and just because I love the waxy sheeniness, massage it in there.